Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. So just going to show you what we've got going on at the moment here in the factory. So we're building a mould here for a GU 1-3 and it has a 79 scoop built into it. So we're almost completed the outer skin of this one, and then we'll be flipping it over and moulding off the inside. Here we have a VK custom bonnet that we're building with a 4-inch cowl. It's all scalloped out underneath it. Quite a lot of good work's gone into this. Same sort of thing, almost finished the inside. Gonna flip it over and make the outside. Lastly, we're building a troop carrier roof for a 40 series. So at the moment we're making the mould for the inner skin, and then we'll be flipping that over and making the outer skin. Here we go, we're about to start on a sun visor for a troop carrier, and we've also got a roof console that we'll also be building, so keep your eyes open for that. This is exciting, producing new products. What is the products that you want us to see produced?